Yawar, Chief Justice, Lahore High Court, Honorable Justice Multan, Chief Justice Designate, Honorable Judges of Lahore High Court, and respected lawyers, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. We have assembled here to pay homage and bid farewell to Mr. Justice Hon'ble, Honorable Chief Justice of Lahore High Court, on the culmination of his sterling judicial career. This wonderful journey, spanning over 8 years, started with his elevation as a judge, is ending as Chief Justice of Lahore High Court. I pray for Almighty to bless His Lordship with long, healthy and happy life. While slightly moving away from the tradition of referring biographical history and various dates on which His Lordship held a range of offices and positions, I am going to briefly point out the characteristics and events which will remain forever with us, which are true contributions of Honorable Justice Muhammad Yawar, where prior to his elevation, His Lordship conducted several cases of public importance before the High Court and Supreme Court. There, as a law officer at federal and provincial level, he performed with high scale of skill and integrity. And as an Honorable Judge of High Court, he decided many cases of national importance reported in the law journals as well. Respectable members, it is a hard fact that for the attainment of justice, the bar and the bench are indispensable partners, with the judiciary at the top of a strong and vibrant bar and complemented by it. There must be mutual understanding and respect between the partners. Each partner has its own duties, which, if faithfully, professionally, and diligently performed, will enable the system functioning optimally. Failure by one party to perform its duty will naturally affect the other. Thus, the principal duty of both the bench and the bar is to work harmoniously, effectively, honestly, and sincerely towards achieving justice in the polity. Sir, it is the duty of the lawyer to maintain towards the court respectful attitude, not for the sake of temporary incumbent of the judicial office, but for the maintenance of its supreme importance. Judges, not being wholly free to defend themselves, are obviously entitled to receive the support of the bar against unjust criticism and clamor. But where there is proper ground for serious complaint against a judicial officer, it is the right and duty of the lawyer to submit his grievances to the proper authorities. In such cases, but not otherwise, such charges should be encouraged. It will be appreciated that when His Lordship took over as Chief Justice of Lahore High Court, then atmosphere between bar and the bench was not cordial, rather was unprecedentedly hostile. Certain uncalled for steps were taken against the Multan bench, District Court Multan, and the lawyers of Lahore. With the intervention of Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan, as well by the orders of Honorable Supreme Court, in suo motu case, several reversals started, yet many steps are required to be taken. Role of the Honorable Chief Justice Punjab, Justice Muhammad Yawar, to resolve such issues remained significant, as after taking oath of the office, he forthwith contacted the representative of the bar, took them in confidence and did a lot to normalize the situation. We all believe that if both the bar and the bench are fully conversant with their duties as set out in their respective rules of conduct and actually comply with the rules, there will be little room for disharmony. On the contrary, there will be much greater cooperation, respect and understanding between the two arms, which in turn will promote due and systematic administration of justice and lead to speedier dispensation of justice in the country. Due to timely taken steps by the Honorable Chief Justice, the working of the courts and disposal of the cases improved remarkably. Although the matter of withdrawal of executive order regarding extending option to Sahiwal and Dodra could not be resolved during the tenure of His Lordship, but lot of deliberations have been made in this regard, and we hope that the Honorable High Court would do justice in this respect, as scales of justice are to be equally held, and where we say that justice is blind, which means everyone is equal before the law. There, the principle of justice that let the hammer fall, but justice shall prevail, should also be kept in mind. It is needless to add that the people, especially the downtrodden segment of society, have great expectations from the independent judiciary for providing expeditious and inexpensive justice for safeguarding their valuable legal rights. The inordinate delay in disposal of cases, which the litigants of Multan bench are particularly experiencing, is the cause of acute frustration for the poor litigants. This disappointment aspect of the judicial system needs to be looked into at the higher level for evolving remedial measures. And at the end, I would congratulate Honorable Chief Justice Lahore High Court for accomplishing his judicial career with colors. Being judge is not an easy job. Justice is a saintly attribute. Thank you very much.